Yo, guys, welcome to another video. And today I will be explaining how to get rid of a virus on iOS 14 and up. So it's not gonna be a long video. So without further ado, let's get right in the video. I'm out and all the Alright, so it's as simple as two steps, three steps if you want to call it three, but I call it two steps. So first thing first, go to settings. Alright. Then go to calendar. Just scroll down all the way like till you see calendar. And then go to accounts. Now for me, since I haven't done it, it's not gonna show me no viruses or nothing. But it will be a third one right there. It would be like it would say some type of you activated some type of account even though you didn't. So just click on that. Let's just say this is it. And then it will give you something similar to it, but it will be something different. Look, I'll show you the screenshot right now. So this is how it will look, similar to it. And all you have to do is press delete account. Once you press delete account, the virus is gone. You can go back to Safari and go do your goodness. And don't act like I don't know what y'all was looking up on this. All I know is that's how you clear it, and you don't need to worry about it. Just don't do it again, okay? Okay. But that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Did leave it like, comment, subscribe, and adios amigos.